Why do we use a remote collar? Well, very similar to the prong collar, the remote collar is a fantastic tool that allows us to communicate with dogs over varying distances, whether we're close or whether we're far, whether we are within leash range or off the leash. We can communicate with dogs over large distances up to half a mile away. You can't do that with any other training tool. It's just not possible. The remote collar is pretty much king when it comes to wanting to get some really advanced obedience, to get the dog to be off leash, to enjoy much more freedom, things like that. The remote collar is very similar in terms of the communication and being able to give the dog information. You can whisper to the dog, but you can also shout if you need to. You can help the dog understand they're doing something right with the remote collar. You can lead them to success. But you can also tell them when they're doing something wrong, and that can be also done through the remote collar. You see, the prong collar and the remote collar are two very versatile training tools. But what we found is that through the proper application of these training tools, we're able to rehabilitate dogs. We're able to help dogs that are fearful become more confident. We're able to help dogs that are anxious become more calm. We're able to help playful dogs that just don't care learn to pay attention and to care and to understand that there are rules. Specific to the remote collar or to the e-collar, how it feels. It's similar to a TENS unit. It does provide electrical stimulation through the skin of the dog, just like a TENS unit would for a person when you go either to the chiropractor or in physical therapy. All it is for the dog is a sensation that they can feel, and what we like to have is a sensation that the dog can feel, nothing overwhelming, and then we teach them what it means. What the collar means to the dog is a prompt. That's it, a prompt. And we like to teach it as a prompt for attention. When the dog feels a sensation, we want them to pay attention and then respond to the commands that we're telling them.